Look at this beautiful blue pot. I love blue. I think it goes really well with all the plants. It shows the plants really well in blue. And I got these two, there's another one there. I got these two blue pots from Facebook Marketplace a while ago, and I wanted to do a container arrangement and put it at the front entrance. So it's been a while, and I thought I better get going now that it's spring, and it's perfect time to do some gardening and planting and arrangement. So I'll show you what I have. This one, Echeveria blue metal, it's beautiful. Like really blue and pink together, like a purple color. Euphorbia fire stick. So I got two of everything. Portulaca afra variegata. And this one is called cotton lavender. Really nice silvery gray color, and I think it gives a really nice contrast. And two of the euphorbias. Let me see what variety it is. It's called Euphorbia Blackbird. It is a bit tall, but the pot is tall as well. Hopefully it's not going to get too tall. So I got two of that. And then the only difference is I'm using a Ripsalis in one of the pots as a trailing succulent, and a ruby necklace, Othona capensis, in the other one. I really like this Euphorbia Ripsalis, sorry, not Euphorbia Ripsalis, and I only have one of those. So I thought I'll use this Othona capensis. That will go really well with the color scheme of that purple blue tone. So let's get started. I forgot to tell you, so these are tall pots, and succulents don't need too much soil in the pot, especially if the top pot is too deep. So what I did is, I'm sure you saw me doing it, the preparation. So I put some plastic bottles down the bottom, and also these clay pebbles to fill the gap. These clay pebbles are really good for drainage. And then filled up the rest of the pot with soil. I'm using the euphorbia as the thriller, and I'm putting that at the back because it's a tall plant. Let me have a look. Just needed to turn it. Next, I will use the Portulaca afra variegated. I think that's a nice contrast, and also that burgundy color stems, they go together as well. Not sure if I'll regret putting this euphorbia 5 sticks in there, because that can get really big, but I'm hoping with everything else in the pot it might not grow big too quick. So this cotton lavender, it's not a succulent, but I'm hoping this will be a succulent compatible plant. So according to the tag, it likes full centipat shade, low water, great for pots. I thrive in coastal conditions and perform well in most soils, doing best in those that are free draining. This soil is succulent and cactus mix, and then I mixed it with the perlite and also some gritty mix. So this should be okay. Let me turn this around. It's almost done, but you can see there is a gap. So I want to put something else in there. I went and got few of the sedum Pats pink. So it's peachy yellow color. That will go well with that fire stick. I'm a bit struggling here, but we'll see. Just changing a few things around. There it is. Let's have a look. I got the ripsalis in the middle with two blue metal on either side, and I didn't end up using sedum pads pink. Instead I used graptopetulum purple delight. I think that's a nice color. Then cotton lavender, portulaca afra variegata, euphorbia firestick, and euphorbia blackbird. And I think it came out nice. One more to go. Have a look. It's all done. I'm so happy how it turned out. This is the second pot that I did. I did video it, but on a time lapse. And this one I found I finished it really quick because I had all the plants ready to go. I didn't have to go and grab extra ones. And it was getting really sunny and hot, so my aim was to finish it off quick and get out of the sun. Okay, let's have a look. So I used Othona capensis or ruby necklace as a trailer or spiller, trailing plant or spiller. Two of the Echeveria blue metal. These ones are actually a lot bigger than the first ones I used. Lavender cotton, euphorbia firestick. I love how it gives a pop of color, that orange color. I used only one graptopetulum purple delight. I thought that was enough. Portulaca afra variegata and euphorbia blackbird. I really like that burgundy color theme that's going on here. I love that lavender cotton. It's so fluffy. And I got a trio of blue pots going on here. My bird bath and euphorbia lactea ghost crest. Really like this. Show you the other one. It's on the other side. Ripsalis. Two of the blue metals, two of the graptopetulum purple delight, portulaca afra variegata, euphorbia firestick, lavender cotton, and euphorbia blackbird. I really wanted to do these arrangements before it was too sunny and it got too hot, but by the time I got everything arranged and organized, it was too late. But anyway, I got it all done. Happy with the outcome. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe, and share. Thanks very much.